Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Civic EX. It's a certified piece. Okay, it's got 28,000 miles on it. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. We'll start over here by going down the driver's side. Everything looks really good on this side. It does have the push button doors to lock and unlock the vehicle. Really nice feature there. Driver's side's in good shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have backup camera. Alright, everything's in great shape across the rear of the vehicle. Passenger seat looks good. And there's your blind spot monitoring system right there, and I'll show you what that is in a few minutes. Okay, everything looks really clean on the exterior of this vehicle. 28,000 miles. Alright, it is a certified unit. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Door panel's in good shape. Got the two-tone with the black with the beige cloth. Alright, beige cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Let you check that out. Passenger seat looks good too. No problems with the cloth up front. Go ahead and give you a shot of the sunroof. Let me pan out a little bit. Alright, there's your sunroof. There's your blind spot monitoring button. We'll show you that in a second when I turn on the Civic. Automatic. It's got your HDMI, USB, and power outlet there. Okay, it does have two key fobs with it as well. Alright, there's your climate control, touch screen, and rear camera. Okay, it does have the push button start. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Alright, it's got 28,274 miles on it. We've had the air conditioner running now for about 10 minutes. Everything blowing nice and cold there. Alright, there's your touch screen. That's your home menu. Go ahead and put it in reverse. Engage the backup camera. Alright, now also engage the blind spot monitoring for you as well. There you go. Really great safety feature Honda offers. One of my favorite features. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the back seat here. Hop out of here. Same with the door panel there. Back seat's in good shape. No issues at all with the back seat. The cloth on this vehicle is very well maintained. Exterior looks good. Interior looks good. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the layout. All right, 28,000 miles again on this vehicle. It has been well taken care of. Not a scratch. Inside's almost brand new looking. Okay, nice protective hard mat here. Everything's in good shape. Okay, plenty of storage back there. Go ahead and give you a shot of the wheels and tires. 16-inch alloys. Okay, alloys look good. Brand new set of tires. Okay, and just to recap, it's a 2015 Honda Civic EX. It's a certified unit. Alright, it is got 28,000 miles on it. Alright, it's been well taken care of. Exterior, interior are in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.